Okay, so Jaqson, so tell me about this new track.
This is called The Noise of the Chipmunk 2, and it's not really a track, more so a soundtrack, but it's got my voice in it, and it's got the evil, murdering chipmunk. Alright, here it goes. Chipmunk! He's gonna kill us all! He's gonna kill us all! We have to kill the chipmunk right now, otherwise the world will be at stake. We done it. So now, let's all celebrate!
Take a bow.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. You are so kind, thank you.